friends, welcome to my X journey. So it's Mrs. White again, and today we are unboxing some jewelries. So before I unbox, if you have not yet subscribed to my channels, please consider to subscribe. This platform talks about lots of things about Hermes, including some of my shopping experience, unboxing videos, of course, and then some shopping vlog. So if you are interested in any of these topics, please consider to subscribe and hit the like button. Please consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So now I'm gonna unbox these two lovely jewelries. Can you guys guess what they are? So let me put away my paper bag. And I will tell you why that I got two paper bags within one shopping. So let me open the smaller box first. So this piece was actually purchased by surprise. We went in not expecting to get this piece because it wasn't really on our list. But let me open it. So you guys can see there's a name. So it's a bracelet with the gallop style in the PM size, which means it's a short size. So let me slide this out and open up for you guys. So it's a very nice box. Okay, so look how it looks like. Yep, so the gallop design, it's actually like so it has a really nice horse head design. This is a very shiny sterling silver, and it's a very nice horse head. And how you opened it, it's actually you open from the back first, and then here it's how you lift it up, and then you put your wrist inside, and then you gotta go like that. So this is how it will look like on my wrist. I mean, I can also fit on the medium side as well, but I like the fact that this is more fit so that it doesn't move as much. So it can actually stays in the positions, because my essay did tell me that with this style, if it's too loose, it would actually move around. So you might want to get a little tighter. Yeah, I was debating between the standard size and this short size, which is the PM size. But I like this one because it doesn't move as much. The standard size still fit. It's just a little bit loose. So either one of them I would take, but then, since he was able to get the short one, so I rather get the short one. So as I mentioned earlier, I went and didn't really expect to get this bracelet. I was actually thinking of getting the Hermes Gallop ring in small model. So I will show you guys the picture here, and this is how I want it, but then they don't have my size, but it's a classic. So it's a classic style. So I'm just gonna wait until they have it come in. So how he took this piece out was, he was talking about how the horse head, it's heavy. So if it's too loose, it will shift around, because I was debating on like a size, because I want to put it on my point finger. So I was thinking that, to put it on, it's either a 54 or 55. But he said it's better to be a little tighter, but then I felt like it might be too tight. So then I'm like, I'm just going to wait until he has it. He said it's classic, so then eventually he will receive the piece. So I guess I'm just going to wait. And then he said, well, why don't you look at the bracelet? It's a similar idea. So then after he showed us the bracelet, and I was like, oh, this is actually pretty. So why don't I just get the bracelet first, and then while I'm waiting for the ring. So I'll let you guys know when I was able to purchase the ring. Okay. So if you are also considering getting this style, I will recommend really go try it yourself and see which size is better. For my SA, the recommendation would be make sure that it could stay, so otherwise it would like move around. So yeah, just think about it. So now let me open up my another piece that I purchased. Now, this box I think is too big for my piece, but my SA said, you know, that's the only box because otherwise the other boxes are too small, and he wanted to make sure that it can fit in one box. Okay, so this is the necklace. I can't really pronounce it, but let me try. Forgive me if I pronounce it wrong. So this is the Ferrando long necklace 80, which is the shorter one. It's only one loop instead of the long necklace version. I tried both, so I can show you guys the pictures. I actually tried both, and I thought of it about a few days just to see which one I like better. But after after I think about it, this piece is better. So you see all these like the classic logos. It's very, very nice. And here's the back. So this is how you opening it. Let me just, so you kind of want to lose a little bit just to make sure this can go up. Yep, just that easy. Yeah, so this was the second piece that I was thinking of getting. So this is how I will wear it when I go out, and I think it's very easy to match. So my essay did mention that he would like to get me the microfiber cleaning wipe, but unfortunately, they went out of stock. So what happened was, he said with the Gallop bracelet, this bag who stores the bracelet, it's actually the same material, so he said we can actually use this to wipe the bracelets. So for the necklace, he said he owed me one. So next time when I go visit, I will probably mention it, and he will probably remember. So I'm not worried about that. So at the meantime, I will use my other microfiber wipe to clean them every time I use them. I will use that. But my essay did mention that, you know, with the Hermes sterling silver, when you just leave it out without storing them properly or without using them, it will actually get oxidized more easily. But if you are using them and you wipe them every time you use, it's not gonna get oxidized as easily. So this is one of the tips. So if you guys want to hear more about the cleaning techniques and how I really store them, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos, and thank you so much for hearing my story. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.